Assalamu alaikum, hope you are doing good. So today is a special day, it's Pakistan Day, and I am planning to celebrate this special day with my group that's name is Pakbats. So this vlog is specially recording for my special friend, our dearest friend. His name is George. George is from Switzerland. Hi George, hope you are also watching my vlog. So without wasting your more time, let's start my vlog. Come. So guys, we have just arrived in Windmill, which is almost about the 85 km from my home. Now we are gearing up to head to our next stop. The name is Zero Point, just 30 km away. So stay tuned for the more adventure. Thank you guys. Alright, we have made it to Zero Point. Next up, we are heading towards the mud volcano. The weather today is just perfectly cool and crisp, and the roads are incredibly smooth. I have always loved to riding on this highway. Its name is Postal Highway. It's truly one of the most beautiful roads in Balochistan. Balochistan itself is the most stunning province of Pakistan, and the hospitality here is unmatchable. Hope you are enjoying the vlog. Keep watching, keep watching. We are hitting a small patch of off-roading now. My bike isn't really built for this kind of terrain, but we are determined to reach the mud volcano. Wish us luck. Hope you are enjoying the ride. The mud volcano is a fascinating sight. It's a mountain of rock that rips the mud instead of lava. It's a historical landmark in Balochistan and definitely worth the visit. My friend Mr. Ayas from Pakistan is leading the way in his classic 1988 Sharat. He specially prepared this car for our tour, and it's doing a great job navigating the route. Thank you Ayas bhai, thank you, Baba Shukriya. Now we are going towards the Konmali beach. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. We have just arrived at Kunmali beach, one of the most stunning beach in Pakistan. On the left side of my video, you will see the beautiful coastline where we will be camping for the night. We will be tackle the next leg of our journey starting from tomorrow. For now, just enjoy the footage and apologize for my hiccup in my Angrezi. you know, well. Sorry guys. Sorry for that. Hope you enjoy my vlog. Thank you. We have just stumbled upon the Gold Coast Hotel at night and discovered an octopus camp here. Check it out. Also, we had a surprise visit from a Pakistani TV star Hadi, who appeared with his friend on a BMW 1250 GS. It's been quite an eventful evening. Hope you will enjoy our ride. The most interesting footage will be coming soon, so keep watching, boys, keep watching.